Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2005 to 2015 Tacoma Crew Cab and Extended Cab. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed, and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove your gas tank and gas tank straps. Our part features a perforated plate to fit over your existing rear shock mount. If you plan on keeping your shock mount, remove the perforated plate. If not, remove your shock mount. We also feature 3 perforated plates that can be removed to fit over your existing bed mounts and gas tank strap mount. Our part also features perforated plates on the top and bottom of your frame section to fit over your existing rivets. If you plan on keeping your rivets, remove the plates at this time. Step 3. Begin by removing your gas tank strap mount, bed mounts, bump stop, and its rivets. Grind the frame for your rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Then, spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Slide your leaf spring frame section onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. You can C-clamp your part to the frame to ensure a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the leaf spring frame section onto the frame before welding the part on fully. Step 5. If your vehicle is a crew cab, take your included forward bed mount and hold it up to your frame section. Tack weld it into place before welding it on fully. Then, weld on your gas tank strap mount. Step 6. Due to the material's thickness, the part is moved down to where the holes won't align. To line up the holes, you'll need to open the holes where the rivets were located. With the included hardware, reinstall your bump stop with a 14mm socket and a 15mm wrench. If you removed your rear shock mount, we show you how to reinstall it with our installation video on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your gas tank and gas tank straps. Then you're done!